Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today slash more like all week until I finish doing this, I'm going to be redecorating my room. Welcome! Okay, so this is the dresser that we have. I literally don't know how to set up my camera right now. But this is the dresser, and then over here I have my guitar, trash, nightstand. My bed's right there. I guess I can turn it. There's my bed. And then you go past the bed, you have these. They're just like little crates with like stuff in them, which I need to clean out anyways. This right here is like my craft corner, I guess. That's kind of what I call it. Why am I out of breath? I just don't understand. Picture this. Those black things go under this window, okay? And I could put my plant there. This is so ugly, and I want to get something different. For the time being, I don't have anything different, so we're probably should end up using that. But I think what I might do is clean out whatever's on those black things and try and reorganize some of this stuff onto them. This is my bed, and then you saw the wall, and then so it's right now facing this way along this wall. What I want to do is I want to turn it so it's going this way. So we'd move this to that wall, we'd move this to that wall, and the bed would be here. So that's the plan, and obviously it's not going to be easy, but that's what I want to try and do. I'm going to clear out this, move them over there. That's going to be step one, and step two is going to be I don't know, trying to move other stuff. Step one completed. I'm sweating already. This is awesome, but we have to move the bed and the dresser. Honestly, that's the next step, which is going to be really interesting. I've been looking for this scrunchie. Both of my batteries are literally dying. I charged it for 30 seconds, and I moved that from here to there. I'm gonna move the bed now, and I literally cannot talk for any longer because yeah, I'm gonna set up my phone though. Okay, bye. My battery still isn't charged, but after moving the dresser from there to over there, I decided I don't like it there, so I'm going to move it back. And I'm not going to take a video of it because I was sweating and struggling a lot. So, you know what? Whatever. Peace. Hey guys, so it's been kind of a long time. I think probably a week or so. I pretty much finished decorating and everything and reorganizing that day. But I had to go to work, and then I was driving to New York that night to help move my grandma out. So I didn't have any time to actually edit or film a kind of final room tour. It was also kind of late. So basically I finished decorating with the stuff I have. But for right now, this is my final room tour. Alright, that's my finished room, guys. I hope you enjoyed, and I'm probably gonna end up putting something up over here by my bed, and I think that underneath the corkboards I'm gonna get something, so when I do that... But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this, and don't forget to subscribe. Roar, alligators, roar.
Subscribe to me, hit that like button please, comment down below, yeah you already know, hope you like this vid, tune into the next one. Subscribe, aww.